What's up, everybody? So it's snowing here. I'm here. My car is buried, bro. My car is buried. So I'm just shoveling the snow right now. I got a dustpan, yeah. I use this fucking dustpan. So I live in a fucking big place. I just have to shovel from here to there. Meanwhile, there's a fucking fire next door. There's a fucking fire next door, yo. It's still snowing out there. There's a fire next door, yo. I don't want to show you the location because, I don't know, it's privacy, I guess. So, it's fucking snowing. It's probably 5 o'clock, January 1st, 5 o'clock. Look, I'm just using my dustpan right now. God damn, you know, there's like a fire here. They got fire fighters around here. There's a fucking fire next door, yo. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm just trying to shovel the snow. I think they got it under control, or I don't know. It doesn't look it's really that bad. Holy shit, they got